Ever wondered why we sneeze? It's not just random, it's powerful. When dust or germs tickle your nose, your body fires back like a cannon, shooting air at almost 160 kilometers per hour. That single blast clears bacteria and resets your breathing system. And here's the crazy part. Your brain actually pauses for a split second when you sneeze. So the next time you go achoo, remember, it's not just a sneeze. It's your body's superhero defense in action. Stay curious with Factify.